Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Sign into the Google account tied to Play Console or Play Store and make sure your device is ready. Enable developer options and USB debugging on Android so the computer can communicate. Once done, locate the device identifier you'll need, IMEI, serial number, or Android ID, because Google Play links devices to these ID for testing and distribution. Make sure billing and country settings in your account match the device region before moving on. Now you add the device inside Google Play. Open Play Console, choose your app, and go to the Testing or Device Management area. Use internal testing for quick access. Enter the device identifier manually or upload a CSV with multiple ID to register many devices at once. Once devices appear, assign them to a test group or specific release track so they can access your app. After assigning, save and publish the test release. This makes the app visible to those devices shortly. Finish by verifying installation on the device. Sign into the same Google account, open Play Store or the testing link, and look for the app. If it doesn't show, clear the Play Store cache and storage, reboot the device, and confirm Google Play services is up to date. These simple fixes often resolve visibility issues. If problems persist, use a dblogcat for runtime errors or check Play Console device reports for compatibility rejections. Then adjust the manifest or supported device list accordingly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.